So just revisiting this DS Lite from the other week, the one that had charge up, turn on, but wouldn't display anything on screen. Usually a Wi-Fi board thing, but it wasn't in that case, unlucky for me. So I thought we'd revisit it today, see what we can do. Start by physically inspecting the board, both sides, front and back, see if I can see anything. If not, we'll figure out the next steps from there. But so far, the board itself looks mint, front and back. I did find a tiny little dot of corrosion at the top, but that wouldn't have caused anything. So I think the next step will have to be actual component stuff. So I didn't see anything. Well, there was that little spot of corrosion at the top of the board, but apart from that, didn't see anything from the physical inspection of anything that looks wrong with it as such. So I might just try. I've got a donor board. Maybe we'll try swapping some chips or reflowing some stuff and see if we have any luck. Because, I don't know what else to do with it really. I don't know what. Where is it? I don't know what that chip does. I do not know. It's under that metal shield. Let's see if we can lift it up. So there's the CPU. That's the RAM. I think that one's the NAND chip. That one looks similar to the DS Lite one, which is for charging and power and stuff, I think. Look, given it charges and turns on but doesn't do anything, that one might not be the best one to go for, but it's probably the only one I can replace, because the NAND, the RAM and the CPU are all BGA chips. I don't have any brand new ones. I don't know if they even make them, but I don't have any way to reball them. So those ones we might be able to reflow, potentially replace the other two, see what happens. So I just reflowed that RAM chip. I've put it back in. Plugged everything back in. It's not screwed in, nothing's screwed in. I just want to try it. See if it works and go from there. Oh wow. I don't think I plugged the digitizer in. I didn't. That was unexpected. Oops. Wi-Fi board back on. All I've done since last time I had this open, although I didn't plug the camera in. I wonder if the camera can make it not turn on. Let's plug the camera in and see if it shuts it down. It's all fun and games troubleshooting these things. Weird faults. No, didn't affect it, still turns on. But this is the one that has the dicky top screen in it because I wanted to get the other ones fixed, which I did. Oh, I can't believe that. Oh, that's why I didn't plug it in. Huh. Well, I'm stoked on that. Didn't really expect that to work straight up. And that's literally the only thing I've done. So I've got a new top screen for it. The rest should be fine. Yeehaw! Happy days. I'm lost for words now. It's always good when things like that happen, but you don't always expect it, especially with weird faults like that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.